En kasaratan county nebo Uasin Gishu kokakimuch kerat kenyisiek 35 afisaek aeng chebo police en kapkirwok nebo Eldoret yekan konam ichek lelutiet kele kinyalil akobeten sabet chi agenge en ketesietab police nebo Mbururu kot neking'oten ng'atusiek nebo Lukuyani county nebo Kakamega yeityo kowirta bortonyin oinet nebo Nzoia en kenyitab 2020. Karat kirwogindetab kapkirwok neo nebo Eldoret Ruben Nyakundi, Constable Emmanuel Wafula ak Godwin Wekesa Sironge en mwaet kole kitamuch kochilile meet Dennis Lusava nekitinyege ak kenyisiek 30 ak agenge ndakikaisuldaen boisienyon afisaek choton kou ele nyolu korib sobonwek chebo ak malik chebo biikab emet. Kates koaror Nyakundi kole kimakonyolu kobeten sobet afisaek choton Lusava en kimalelchi ichek ole mwoe kole kimuch konyalil ichek murenonoton agoi kobet sabet en tarikit 7 arawetab 10 kenyitab 2020 en mwaet kole kikakironji ichek Lusava kosubkei ak nekikater ichek biikab emet komat konam Lusava.
So unless it is proclaimed by the same creator, then those with is presumed until they controverted that that numbering days are right up to 70 is an actual number in terms of the living, unless again the one who gives and takes it away, as that we have said by the act of God. There's also what I call the deaths which occur by accidents, but the deaths which are traceable to the hands of another human being are actually avoidable. Did we have the circumstance that this death could be avoided? The answer is yes. Our brothers had all what it takes to secure the life of the deceased in this matter. But unfortunately, that was never to be, and then we found ourselves in this litigation under the criminal justice system. All in all, I sentenced each accused person to 35 years imprisonment, and they have 14 days right of appeal to the Court of Appeal. They can then test this decision and be able to see whether we exercised our discretion using the legal lens and using the materials and using the principles of the Constitution in arriving at this decision.
En kasaratan gaimuch kotach agola sa sigi kiba Dennis Lusava tilet natin gaimuch kogon kapkirwang nebo Eldoret en gaimuch koror ichek tritidwe kechi gobon kongeten kasatan gigimuch kenama agibeten sabet werinywan.
Anangu kuwawa akiwa kwa mikono ya maaskari. Baadaye anapatikana Nzoia, ambayo imekuwa imenithuru sana katika mawazo, katika magonjwa. Lakini kwa muda wa saa hii nimetulia nikikuwa kwamba koti ya Eldoret imetoa haki na nimefurahia kwa uamuzi ya koti ya Eldoret vile imetoa hukumu kwa maaskari ambao walitenda kitendo kwa mtoto wangu. Iwe funzo kwa wengine wasiwahi tenda kitendo kama hiki ambao kilitendeka kwa mtoto wangu kwa maafisa wa polisi.
Mwalimu Lusava amewacha watoto wawili, grade 2, grade 8. Na wote ni wasichana. Vile watasoma, vile watafaa, vile watapata malezi ingine kutoka huko nyuma itakuwa ngumu. Mkiangalia sisi vile tuko miaka nayo imeenda. Mimi mwenyewe nilizaliwa mwaka 1959. Sasa piga hesabu 59. Na hii watoto wenye niko nayo hii na hii nguvu yenyewe nayo hii itaweza hii watoto kweli?
Has passed a verdict in their favor, finding that the police officers should be held accountable for the death of Dennis and to sentence them to 35 years imprisonment. The decision by Justice Nyakundi today marks a landmark judgment in the fight against impunity that is perpetrated by members of the National Police Service. We urge our brothers and sisters from the service that as they're interacting with civilians, that they remember and uphold human rights, and they take into account the plight of the victims. The parents of Dennis have gone through a very tough journey the past 5 years, coming to court listening to evidence of how their son